Junior, what do you think Mama's having?
What do you want it to be?
A boy. What do you think Mama's having?
What do you want it to be?
A girl.
Stop.
It's a girl. Cause I'm gonna be with the Wita. Me and Wita.
Team boy.
And he said team boy. Even though I want a boy. He's so cute. Isn't he so cute?
It didn't have to touch a baby.
Yeah.
He was in mommy's belly.
Yeah. You love him?
Is he peach?
Is he peach? Boy.
Brown.
Definitely brown. Oh no, you can just do that.
Good job.
Set up, remember, elbow up.
Yeah, gotta keep his head up. Good job, Nick.
See what
You wanna see his hair? There's a lot of it do, don't it?
It's a bright light.
You didn't think he was gonna gain that much? So he's 7'2", 7'4".
7'4".
Yeah, 7'4". Oh, let's think about. Boy. You are not sleeping good. What? Hey, baby. You chilling? Nizzo.
Say hey, baby.
Hey, stinky butt.
Come on.
He is strong. Look at my
It's a
baby.
dangler. It's a dangler ship.
Nizzo, you're outside, baby. You don't want to try to do tummy time? Look, he's going to sleep. You want to do tummy time? Hey, Nizzo. Hey, handsome. Hi, handsome. Ooh, don't be looking at my tails. Why you look so mad, Nizzo? Why you look so mad, baby? Oh, he's so cute, though. He's so cute. Oh, he said, don't look at me. It's okay, Stinky. You're so handsome. It's okay. All right, I'm gonna get you. So, what do you think of with that one sock off? What are you saying? Bug. I think a bug. Bye bye. You're handsome. You trying to have some hang time, boy? Look at that hair. I think a bug. Boom 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 boom. You say hi. 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 Boom 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 boom. Achoo. I see it, so. I see that baby. Yeah. I see it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Little man, you gained 2 pounds. You only gained 2 pounds. You so little. So he only weighs 15.9 pounds. Little baby getting his head checked today. You ready, Stinker? You ready? Huh? Oh. No! Mama crazy.
He's a parrot.
Nenzo, what are you doing? What are you doing? You trying to open up everything in this house? What are you doing? He's trying to follow his brother.
Mama.
That hurt. That hurt. Ow. What's you? Is that how you rock a baby?
No.
Where his other leg? You gotta rock, rock. Sleep, little baby. Sleep, little baby. No. So he's eating his breakfast. I gave him toast with a little bit of peanut butter on it. And then I gave him eggs. And then I also gave him, as you can see, peas and a little bit of carrots. Just to see what he was going to eat. Nezo. Hey, baby. This is my son. Nezo, what's the back of my remote? What are you doing up before me? You didn't at the back of the remote? Even in. Nenzo. What the back of my remote, boy? Sing it, baby. Today's the first day of you clapping. New milestone. Good job. Show Daddy your hair. You like Amari. Can you clap your hands? Clap, clap, clap. Good job. Clap your hands. Oh, you're gonna fall back. Close it. There you go. Yum, 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 yum. Let me see the teeth. Let me see them teeth, boy. Let me see them teeth. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. I love you. I'm open. It's okay. His feet, look at him. He doesn't like it. Come on. Get in. Get in. Put your feet down. Put your feet down. Get in there. Get. Put your feet in. No. Get in. Put your feet in. Good morning. Hey. Hey. Go. My baby was tired. Look at him. Come on, get it. There you go. Yeah, Papa. You eating that cone. Get that cone out your mouth. Oh, you're just the cutest thing. Look at that wild hair.
Yay.
Come on, to me.
Boy.
Denzel. Look at you, Baba. Look at you. To me. Good. Lap 3, come on.